talking about various other things. And I have provided some description of why you should be joining this community. Again, it's all free of cost. But what we need to do in order to get the automated email is basically fill up this form, which is known as, this join us form, where you provide your full name and your email address. These are the three main things that are needed. If you want to provide your phone number or domain of interest, you could go ahead, provide that, and submit that form. And once you submit that form, we basically will be collecting those emails, and we will be setting automated notification of all the free lectures in this community to that set of people. Other than that, if you really you don't want to use the email or don't want to provide the email, then just follow on the LinkedIn and follow my messages, LinkedIn and Facebook, where are the typical places where I provide information about all the upcoming classes. So in brief, right, what I want you to do is basically complete those assignments, and if this was interesting, join us again on the 27th of June, same time, and I will provide a new Zoom link for that meeting where we will continue the conversation that we are having about demystifying ChatGPT. Okay, so with that, thank you, and connect with me on LinkedIn. You can just search for Rahul Rai Clemson, and it should bring you to my page. And if you follow, you will get an automated messages about, notification about all the things that we are posting, especially of the free content.